Hello friends, it is my 36th video of 80-day long challenge of English speaking and using new vocabularies. Today I will use some words. My first word is taming. Taming means control करना, नियंत्रण करना. Just for example, taming a horse means horse को control करना. Taming wild animals को control करना. And I have taken this word from an article of newspaper in which the Shakti Kant Das, the RBI governor, told that the repo rate remains unchanged at 6.5%. First, I want to tell about what is repo rate. The repo rate at which the commercial banks take loan from the central bank means RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And what is reverse repo rate? The rate at which the central bank or RBI takes loan from the commercial banks. So if repo rate increases, then bank increases their interest rate, so the money circulation to the market decreases. So for controlling the inflation, the repo rate increases because the money transferred to the market decreases, so the goods and services purchasing is decreases, so the inflation can be controlled. Inflation is just inversely proportional to the money in the market. If the money in the market decreases, inflation control. If the money in the market more than required, then inflation increases. So for controlling the inflation, government increases the repo rate. But here RBI Governor Shaktikant Das not change the repo rate. And my second word is relent, means दया करना, कठोरता छोड़ना. As JDU demands a bench in the state of the Bihar, but the Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal refused it. He told that there was no proposal from the state government. He pointed out the rule book that for the bench formation in the state, there should be a government proposal following by the approval of the Chief Justice of State and Governor. Then center may consider it. After the when it is approved, then state government have to provide infrastructure. There was a various outrages by the various MPs and ministers and opposition leaders in Bihar that there should be a formation of benches in Bihar, just as in Rajasthan there are 3 bench, in Madhya Pradesh there are 3 bench, in Maharashtra and UP there are 2 bench. So why not Bihar be considered? In Bihar the population is 13 crore and there is only just one high court and there is no bench, so the center has to consider it. But Arjun Ram Meghwal pointed out the rule book. Then it started with the state government by state government. It is state government proposal which was approved by the governor and the Chief Justice of High Court. So there was a clash between the Arjun Ram Meghwal and the JDU and RJD leaders, and also the Pappu Yadav, which is independent candidate, alias. So there was a various clash between those leaders. So I had used the word relent, means दया करना. JDU demands high court benches for Bihar, but center refuses to relent. means center दया करने से refuse कर दिया. Center refuses to relent. So today I had used 2 words, taming and relent. Thank you.